These are the elevators at University of Florida Parking Garage 9 in Gainesville, Florida. We're gonna go up to 5. This one's scenic, but I am filming it at night, so let's see how much of a view you get. Here we are at 5. Notice there is another elevator over there, but that's going to be a separate video. Let's go down to 1. It's a Montgomery Kone with a 2,500 pound capacity. There's your emergency phone. Takes a bit of effort to shut that one. Buttons. Let's send this one up and get the other one, which is actually down here on 1. I believe that's an innovation security call button. Let's go 5. This one does not have the star on the 1 button, and the indicator is missing. Here's a look at the garage. We're gonna go down to 1. Same emergency phone. That one was left a little bit open, so we're gonna leave it that way. Again, the indicator is just completely missing. The lantern, you can tell the down arrow has been pushed in, and the up arrow, who knows where it is. So, again, we are going to ride the other elevator in a separate video. There it goes.